Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video.
Howdy.
I don't remember anything about Hunger Games, but this is the Hunger Games, the Ballad of the Songbirds and Snakes, and it has to do with...
Oh, Snow. President Snow.
Yeah,
His
I'm guessing
backstory.
it's his backstory. So yeah,
Eat fresh, refresh, and now Subway's refreshing their classics, like the sweet onion teriyaki sauce topped on tender shaved steak.
Oh, okay, one sec. True. Okay, here we go. Let's hop in. Yeah, I really don't remember much from Hunger Games. I just remember like it was Katniss Everdeen, right?
Yeah.
And it was.
And they were back in
districts. Yep. I
Which
remember
district?
districts.
I think they were back either in District 13 or 12.
Was it District 13?
District 13 is like the one that was like bombed and like
It was like her and her sister were the only ones like left, and she volunteered so her sister didn't have to go. Was that what it was?
Yeah, but that was like the first movie.
Yeah, see, I don't remember.
And then you're talking about Mockingjay, which was the last movie. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just remember like they had to like you rush for the center, right? And there were bags, and you could get like
The
equipment.
cornucopia.
Yeah. Okay.
And then it has all the weapons and the goodies and stuff to survive.
Well, you know what I do remember, which is why I want to get back into Minecraft, is Minecraft Hunger Games. Because all the stuff that was spawned after the Hunger Games, all the game modes and different games, those were hella
Fortnite came
fun.
because of Hunger Games. Hunger Games is, bro. Hunger Games is just.
So then does that mean PUBG came because of that? Because didn't Fortnite come with PUBG? Okay, let's just go. Woo! Oh, that's right. Okay, let me put it on. I gotta change the audio because you're here, so I'm not wearing headphones. All right, I'm gonna cut back to where I have the headphones on. I said headphones on. Is this the right one? I gotta see which. Here we go. I think this. Yes. There we go.
It's also snowy and icy and cold, like snows are. You're invited. That's a snake skin.
Snake around the branches. Oh, it looks like the logo of the book.
You're invited to return to the games.
That just tripped me out.
Is the snake gonna eat the bird? It's a real teaser.
Yeah, it's a real teaser.
It's a real teaser. That was such a teaser.
Oh,
Damn, I gotta read
November
it.
17th.
I have so much time to read it though.
Yeah, November 17th.
They made just a movie. Oh wait, that's just a trailer, or is that a movie? On Wednesday Addams from the Addams Family, just on her character.
Was her character weird?
She's like cold, but like everyone loves her because she literally has no emotion.
Okay, anyways, about... I don't know if this... I would have to read the book too. I guess you read it first. You tell me, since you're the very hype one for this. You tell me how it is, and then I'll know.
Okay.
From what I remember from the Hunger Games, like the one I watched, it was good. It was good. I
That's
don't
all you gotta say.
Well, yeah, because I don't know if it was that interesting. What do you have more to say? You know more about the series.
It started the whole legacy of Fortnite and PUBG's all over the world.
Like Fortnite
And actually the China, India, all that. Fortnite, PUBG.
I'm not.
The whole being in an arena and killing each other.
I don't know if Hunger Games started that, but I do want to know the origins.
What? Just look at the timelines.
Okay, but you know.
Susan Collins is a great genius.
She is.
But yeah, they volunteer. Well, Katniss volunteers tribute, and then you have all the. I think Mockingjay was the last one,
Then I watched.
and that came out like. What feels like 10 years ago.
So, and then this one, so the book, because we just had it up. So the book follows. Do I still have it? Yeah. It's set in the universe of the Hunger Game. It follows young Coriolanus Snow.
I didn't know that was his first name.
Yeah, that's crazy. He once a member of the richest families in the capital. Coriolanus is now an orphan living with his grandmother and cousin in an apartment they can't afford, not even being able to buy proper food or clothes. Based on his academic excellence at the academy, the capital's most prestigious high school, Corio, I'm gonna just call him Lannis. Lannis is chosen to mentor a tribute in the upcoming 10th Hunger Games. He's assigned to District 12 tribute. Lucy Gray Baird, a member of the traveling musician group known as the Cove, who got stuck in District 12 after the war. Lucy Gray sparks the capital's attention after singing during the reaping, and Lannis is determined to make a good impression, since his success in the games will most likely guarantee the monetary prize he needs in order to attend the university.
This brings so much memories.
There's a lot to it.
Wow.
Damn, this gives the whole like beginning. That's a lot to read, but okay. So cool. So it follows him. And it follows her because she's singing, so I'm assuming she's the songbird. Cool. So 3 years later, and it's getting a movie. So this must be good. It's getting a movie, so the book has to be good.
Well,
right?
every single book got a movie because they're all so good.
Every single book?
Yes.
Oh, of hers in her
Yeah,
line.
Hunger Games, Catching Fire, Mockingbird, and now the Ballad of the Songbirds and the Snakes.
If you are, what are they? Is the Hunger Games the series?
It's the trilogy, but now it's not a trilogy no more because the fourth one.
It's a quadrilogy. Okay, I'm done. So, so if you're a Hunger Games fan, let me know down below what you think about this coming out, and join her in the hype. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Much love and moonlight. Peace.